So for quiz 6, we are importing the random integer function. So we can produce a random integer later on in the program and append it to a list. And then the first function that we have defined here is named roll a dice, and it does not have any arguments. And in the function, the variable roll is assigned a random integer in the range 1 through 6 inclusive, and then the function returns the values of roll. And then the second function down here is named roll until 5 primes with no arguments as well. And the parameters of this function are defined here with a list named rolls, and then we have the starting score assigned the value of 100, and then the counter for the number of prime numbers is set to 0. And then we have the while true statement here that says R is assigned the value of the function roll a dice evaluated at a given argument. And here we are appending whatever is assigned to R to the list named rolls. And then per the assignment, the value of R is subtracted from the starting score 100. And then here we have the prime number counters. So if R equals 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, the prime number counter will increase by 1. And then down here we have the conditional that says when the prime number counter reaches 5, the while loop will break, so it will come to an end, and we need that because we have this while true statement up here. And then the function overall returns the list of rolls that includes all of the numbers rolled and the ending score. And then the variables roll and score here are assigned the output of the function roll until 5 primes, which doesn't have an argument because this is a self-terminating function, if you will. I'm forgetting the proper nomenclature. And then down here, we'll print the rolls made, which prints a list of all of the values that came up during all of the rolls. And then this last print statement down here prints out the ending score, which is the score minus each of the values that came up in this list of rolls, where the starting score is 100.